swiftly on.
Welcome back to another tutorial, and we have another request. This is from somebody who would like to learn how to draw a cat, or as they like to call it, a kitty cat. So we're going to have a look at how to draw this cat here, so if you want to learn, stick around. Let's get crafting. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to be having a look at how we can draw a cat. Again, this is going to be a nice, super simple tutorial. We're just going to look at drawing a very sort of cartoony cat using hopefully some quite basic shapes, so it should be nice and easy to follow. So a little bit like with the panda one, if you've watched that, we're going to start with a circle. So many things, so many animals, so many things that you want to draw. We'll start with a circle. So always good to practice drawing your circles because it's certainly not easy. Again, you'll notice I'm doing soft, small lines to make my circle. So we need a circle to start our head of our cat. Easy peasy. Our next step is going to be adding ears. So here I'm going to start just with a triangle. I'm going to go like that, and I'm going to go like that. I don't need to do the bottom line because my head forms that. And on the other side I'm going to try and do a similar triangle like that. That's going to be where my ears are going to be. Again, they're not quite that triangle on an actual cat, so what we're going to do is we're going to curve them. So we're going to turn this into a curve, and at the top again we're curving it round and coming down. So it looks a little bit more like an ear. So that's our first ear done. We're doing exactly the same on the other ear. We're just curving this line here. At the end we don't want to point, we want it to be curved, and then we're going back again, making two ears. Just realised mine needed to be a little bit wider, so I've just made that one a little bit wider. And there we go, they're going to be our ears, hopefully. So the next step is going to be to make the face a bit better shape. So we started with a circle. You can keep it as a circle. I'm just going to change mine ever so slightly. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make the bottom part of the face ever so slightly flatter. Like that. It's making it actually, the better way of describing it is we're kind of making it a bit more square. Which does sound strange because cats don't have square faces, but you will see what I mean when we start putting some other features on. So the ears we didn't quite finish. We need to draw a smaller triangle inside the ear, like so. I'm going to do one of those on both. All you're doing is following the lines that you've already made, like that, making the inside. And now we're going to look at where we pop our nose. So our nose is going to be right in the middle, right there, in the middle, maybe ever so slightly lower than the middle. And our nose is another triangle. So far, this whole tutorial has essentially been shapes. We've got triangles, we've got our circle, got another triangle, and now we're looking at some letters. So the mouth starts here and we go down, and we're just going to do an L, or kind of like an L, and we're going to go the same way as a J, the other way, and we're going to add a tongue, like that, and that's going to be our nose and our mouth. Now our eyes are going to just be two circles. So it's quite difficult to get eyes in the same place, so you might want to put a dot in the middle of where you're thinking. I'm thinking there, and then draw your eyes. So these are going to just be circles, like that. That's going to be one. I'm pretty happy with that size, I think. And the other one, I've just got to try and make the same size. Again, you'll notice I'm doing lots of small soft lines. I'm pretty much just tickling the page with a pencil. Like that. If it's not quite right, you can go back in with your rubber, but I'm pretty happy with the size of those. And then inside those circles we're going to have another circle to make the middle of the eye. Again, trying to make them symmetrical. I'm fairly happy with those eyes. One thing I'm going to add is eyelashes, just to make it look a little bit nicer. And our next step is going to be, I've made mine a bit too square, so we're going to just adjust my face like that. I'm going to take my rubber, which I can't find, and I'm just going to rub out those bits because I don't want them. That's better. So, whiskers we're going to add at the end. We're going to look at doing our body now. So our body is going to be kind of an oval shape. So we're going to start, draw sort of where we think the neck's going to be, and we're going to come down with the line, and down with this line. Not straight down, we're at a little bit of an angle, and at the bottom we're going to draw half a circle like that and join it back up. If it's easier, you could draw a circle here and then join it up like that. Either way works. If you've done that, you need to just go back in with your rubber and rub out this piece again. Right, it's always important to have a good rubber on hand if you're doing some drawing. So that's going to be the shape of our body, and we're going to add, I'm just going to add a little collar also on here, which is just us following the line of the head like that, and that's going to be our collar. In the middle I'm going to draw a little rectangle for where it attaches itself, and then I'm going to draw a loop, and I'm going to just stick a little hand on the end of it like that. Now we need to do some paws. So the front paws are going to be pretty much like sausages, really, sort of sausage. So we're going to go start here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to do a little curve and go back up again. So down, just past the body, curve, back up again, and the second one down, just past the body, curve, and back up again. Now it's kind of up to you how wide you want them to be. Depends how big you want the paws. I'm pretty happy with those as a first effort, and our back paws are just going to be circles, pretty much. So starting here between this bit of the paw and the back, we're just going to go like that and draw a circle. Because we're drawing it sort of sat down with its paws out. There we go, don't worry about any extra lines because we're going to rub them all out at the end. And then no cat is complete without a tail, so we're going to have a look at drawing a tail. So mine's going to come out of this side and it's going to start here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by just drawing a wavy line like this, and that's going to be my tail. Now when you're drawing a tail, it should start thinner here and get fatter at the end. So mine is going to start thin here, and I'm going to follow the same line until I get to the end. that, or if you want to make it fluffy, you can add some fluffy bits. It's up to you. Okay, so that's us finished with our cat tutorial. Hopefully you've enjoyed learning how to draw a cat, and hopefully you've ended up with something like this, or more than likely, probably better than mine as well. As always, I really hope you've enjoyed learning how to draw this cat here. If you've had a go at drawing this cat, please feel free to ask your parents to send it to me, because I'd absolutely love to see it. And if you have any suggestions for tutorials, also ask your parents to email it to me. So until next time, keep on crafting.